hello dear craftsmen! I'm Elena, who hasn't subscribed to my channel yet. Please support me with likes and subscribe, please! In the patchwork technique, I sewed a tea set today. Such embossed leaves can make you happy every day. First, we cut out all the details of the leaves. Each size has 2 leaves. Then we connect all the parts together. Bottom base plus pads for more volume when stitching plus top base. Then we sew the middle of the leaf on the machine and gradually. We sew strips of the selected fabric at an angle to the middle line of the leaflet. Next, we zigzag the middle and edges of the leaves. And in any order, we go through the entire piece of paper in a simple line. Carefully cut off the excess fabric and our tea set is ready. I figured in this model, it is not necessary. Process the edges with an oblique label, or you can sew them on. Good luck to you in your work.